Hey folks, Cooking with Kel Bob here in my ordinary kitchen, sharing my ordinary summertime harvest along with my grill dog, Sherman! Once again, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. So I'm going to start with 3 to 6 pounds of tomatoes, and I've been boiling this stock down all day. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 2 cups of sugar. And next is a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice that grill wife Jenny squeezed. The recipe calls for a tablespoon of grated ginger. I actually have fine ground ginger that my son, when he was in Singapore, Andrew, he picked up for our friend Jackie. And you can find these conversions very easily on the internet. So we're going from freshly grated to ground. 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. Teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And then we're going to simmer this for about 1.5 hours, stirring frequently. These will scorch and stick on the bottom. So after our tomato jam has simmered for about 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and it's thickened up, we're going to scoop it out and we're going to put it in jars. My friend Brad turned me onto this. I'm going ahead and using a pint jar here. But this tomato jam, there you have it. Tomato jam. This stuff is awesome on chops, on chicken, on whatever you like. You know, heck, eat it on crackers. Cooking with Kel Bob, out.